This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to a web page in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Google Slides. To hyperlink an image to a web page in Google Slides, it's very easy to do. I have a little example project here. Say that this image right here, I wanted to hyperlink to a web page to make it a clickable link. First thing you want to do is left click on the image to select it. I have the image selected now. I have the bounding box around it. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the little chain icon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Insert Link. Click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, in this box right here, you want to either type or paste the URL of the web page that you want to hyperlink the image to. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to hyperlink this to google.com. I'm going to paste it in there. Then I'm going to click on Apply. Now as you can see, I have that image still selected and I have it hyperlinked to google.com. Now to test this, I could either click on this link right here, or I can put my mouse cursor over the image. I can hold down the Alt key and press the Enter key while holding down the Alt key. As you can see, it took me to google.com. That is what I had hyperlinked it to. That is how to hyperlink an image to a web page in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.